This is the adventure of an optimistic college student who is making her way up to the top. Hi, my name is Tiana Nicole Mitchell, and I am an advertising and public relations major with a minor in creative writing at the great University of Central Florida in beautiful Orlando. There are many things who describe me as a person and what I want to do in life. Some of my favorites include shopping and reading some of the top magazines in the country. My top two favorite magazines has to be Allure and Glamour. I love to look at them because they do have some of the best beauty and style trends. Next, if you knew me, you would know that I really love bright colors and bright flowers. Of course, because since I was born in April, my favorite flower is the sunflower. Lastly, if you knew me, you would know that I love to plan events and celebrate others' cultures and birthdays and just to celebrate them as a person. Also, on top of that, I love cupcakes. I think that they are the sweetest ways to brighten up anyone's day. These are some words that describe me as a person and who I am. First off, I'm a very confident person. I do believe that I am a conqueror and that I can do anything that I put my mind to. Next off, I am a dreamer. I have many future aspirations, and it's only a matter of time before my dream becomes a reality. I do have a vision to be one of the greatest in the advertising copywriting field. I would love to inspire the world with my writing, and I believe that things in life are extraordinary and it's best to take advantage of them before they run out. I have some main goals that I would like to complete in a few years. My first goal is to finish school and get my Bachelor of Arts in the field of advertising and public relations. After that, I would like to get a job and save up funds to take trips out to any cities or countries that I like. Then, of course, after that, I would like to get a house and settle down. As a 20-year-old growing up in Central Florida, I have always loved the idea of traveling and getting to meet new people and new cultures. These are my top 5 cities that I would love to find a career in: Atlanta, San Francisco, Miami, Los Angeles, and Chicago. And of course, my favorite of all is New York. The culture of New York shapes its people to be the best of the best and to never back down. And for me, I want to be a part of that culture and live in a city that uplifts others in the field of creativity and the field of art.